Welcome to KLM Component Availability. With a team of 140 skilled and motivated colleagues, we provide our airline customers a hassle-free and undisturbed operation by offering component availability and closed loop for the Boeing 787, 747 and 737 from our stock locations in Amsterdam, Kuala Lumpur and Miami. It's our ambition to become the world leader by being the best performing, most innovative and customer-centric provider. KLM Component Availability. We deliver.
The KLM component flow, also known as the 8, starts when a request is raised by the customer in our web-based portal. The customer interface department will acknowledge the request, check for availability and give the command to the warehouse to release the required unit.
Yes, have a nice day. Bye-bye.
The MLC warehouse employee will then pick the unit, label it for tracking purposes and hand it over to the forwarding department. The forwarding department employee will have the unit prepared for shipping to its destination. The aircraft mechanic will receive the serviceable components and install it onto the aircraft. The unserviceable components will be removed and shipped back to the logistics center. Once received, the unit will be handed over to the repair administrator. The repair administrator will then check the unit for completeness, unusual damage, correct packaging and reason of removal. A repair order will be generated and the unit will be made ready for repair in our internal shops or outsourced externally. The repair shop mechanic will receive the unserviceable unit and repair it according its component maintenance manual. The repair and availability controller is in charge to monitor all repairs and to make sure the unit will not exceed its agreed TAT or turnaround time. If so, appropriate action will be made to assure a repaired component will return in time. Once returned in serviceable condition, the unit will be handed over to the inspector incoming goods department. The inspector will check the component for appropriate certification, unusual anomalies, visible condition and correct packaging. The system will be updated with the correct information and the unit is declared serviceable. It will then be handed over to the forwarding department, which will send it back to the MLC warehouse. The MLC warehouse employee will receive the components, label it and store it back on the shelf in serviceable condition. The KLM component flow is dependent on a variety of factors and departments. It requires everyone's attention and focus. With our professional and multi-skilled team, we'll make it happen.
Component availability, we deliver!